Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is add a heart shape. Now you'll find it here. Alright, and then we'll just trim it, and then we're going to minimize the size. There we go. Probably a little bit bigger. Nice. And we're going to change the color, so I'll choose that. And next thing that we're going to do is add an effect called scatter repeat. Okay, and then next thing we're going to put the count to 150, set it to 150, the radius all the way to 2000. Now for the evolution, add 2 keyframes, one at the beginning, one at the end, and then we're gonna set the second keyframe to 0.05. If you have a longer clip, you might want to increase that just a little, about like 0.10 or something, but this is only a short clip, so we're gonna go with 0.05. Now for the seed, we don't need to adjust that. Let's move on to range transform. So we'll add 2 keyframes in offset like this, and then we'll adjust the x axis here like so. You can adjust it however you like. We'll also adjust the y-axis like so. Now we have this. There, sorry for the background noise, but yeah, you can also add graph here as well if you want. So yeah, it will do that. So you can also do that, but you can just add no graphs at all. And then for the angle, 2 keyframes as well. There you go, and then just adjust it however you like. There you go. And then for the scale, we'll turn it down a little, and there you go. So I think that's all we need for the scale. Oh, actually, the fill color. If we go here to fill color, we can select a second color. All right. So to do that, we'll pick our second color. So let's say our second color would be, what would fit a purple? Let's go with this one. And then we're gonna go with blend, and then just see that, just turn it up, and as you can see, it's slowly blending with the color. Yeah, I don't think that fits though. Probably white. Alright, we'll go with white. Okay. Alright, so next thing that we're going to do is go to blending and opacity, then go to lighten and select color dodge. Alright, you can select color dodge or linear dodge, whatever is your whatever you prefer. Okay, but we're gonna go with color dodge here, and then we are going to duplicate the shape layer, and then we're going to add Gaussian blur like so, to make it glow. Actually, I kind of don't see the glow. Maybe we have to change it to linear dodge. Yes sir. Alright, so you have to change it to linear dodge. Alright, never mind, you need to choose linear dodge in order to put the glow. Okay, not bad. Well, yeah, there it is. There's your heart glow effect. Nice. Now if you want to, you can group that. Okay, and then add the movement. Alright, and just add this simple movement. And there you go. Boom. There's your heart overlays. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Peace.